we please hurry up?
Welcome back to the shop. Here we have something pretty special and pretty crazy. It's a Dodge Challenger drag car pushing 3,000 horsepower. You heard that, 3,000 horsepower. So we are actually sponsoring the wrap on this. It's gonna be pretty special, pretty crazy. Definitely wanna keep an eye out for it. And as a little teaser, this car may be making an appearance on a TV show. So you're definitely gonna wanna stay tuned.
Race car.
How did he say?
Yo, you got it down.
This is my car. Welcome. Yo, it's not the plane, it's the pilot. I am Dom. Times 5 billion. Zoom in on that. See all that muscle?
His entire personality is his arms.
He's flying, he's flying! Wait, again. Oh, he's just flying past the crowd. There's more crowd coming away. Salutations! We are prepping this trunk on the race car.
Are you talking with commas?
Why am I talking in commas? Then you talk.
No.
That's what I
Just tell
thought.
me, don't talk in commas.
So I'm telling you.
We are wrapping this trunk.
Today, my name is Yuri, and today we are Print Protection Films Volvo.
Here we have this brand new Volvo V60 for our good friends Mike and Melissa. So thank you so much for bringing it in. We're going to be protecting the front end for them, so that's full hood, fenders, front bumper. Make sure that this brand new vehicle stays looking fresh. Let's get to it.
Okay, can we please hurry up? My shoulders hurt.
You pet it like it's a tiger from the jungle. Or a bear, like a bear. Hey guys, here we are with yet again another Tesla Model S, third one I've been doing. So
Satin Dark Grey, baby!
yeah, in as you can see over there on the hood, pan over there, Satin Dark Grey, baby. Everybody's favorite color, am I right? So yeah, we're wrapping the trunk here, top portion of the trunk, bottom's already done.
And Mira, what number of Tesla is this?
3.
In what color?
Satin Dark Grey, baby. All original. Tesla owners, love you guys. Y'all make my life so easy. Yeah, we're just doing the top part of this trunk. Let's get to it. Stay tuned.
think it's like. You fucked up.
You fucked up.
I fucked up. Okay. So now we're putting the decals on the race car. So the Dodge Challenger race car is now complete. It's rocking its new wrap. It looks great, looks fantastic. But you know what? Let's introduce Dustin Stewart. Come on in. This is the owner of the car. And yeah, tell us a little bit about yourself and what's happening with the car.
Well, I'm so happy with the way that it turned out. I've had the car here for a couple of weeks. The guys have done a fantastic job at Limitless. I had a concept that I looked up online and it turned out fantastic.
Awesome. Well, yeah, I'm glad we can bring your vision to life. That's what we're all about here. And from my understanding, there's actually a couple of maybe cool little things happening with the car where it might be in events, that sort of thing. Do you want to touch bases on that?
Well, we've got it entered into some big events all over Canada and the US, and we can't really reveal a whole lot, but stay tuned to the channel and we will make sure that you can see what we're going to adventure with the geared hardware and LimitlessWraps Dodge Challenger.
Well, you guys heard it. Please stay tuned, and once again, Dustin, thank you so much. Really appreciate it, and hope you're as happy as we are to be a part of this project.
I'm thrilled.
Awesome. Dustin's great at this, by the way.
I can see that. Team Limitless.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Cheers.